In one of our previous sessions, I was discussing about the rights and liabilities of a banker, and I told that one of the key rights that a banker is enjoying is right of appropriation. This emanates from a very specific case of 1860, the Clayton's rule as it is famously called. What's the fact of the case? There was a bank in 1809, one of the partners in the bank, Mr. D, died, and on the date of his death, one of the customer had 1,717 rupees in the savings account, which is a running account. Now, the key thing that we need to understand with respect to that of the relationship between a banker and the customer is that whenever customer deposits any money into his savings account or his current account or fixed deposit, whatever it is actually treated as a credit given by the customer to the banker. So the banker is in a position to repay the loan. Every time the banker pays your check, every time you withdraw from your savings account, every time you swipe your debit card, in all these instances, the banker is actually repaying the loan you gave him. With this understanding, let's move further ahead. So on the date of death of Mr. D, the balance was 1,770. And in 1810, the bank became bankrupt, and Clayton put out an argument saying that in 1809, at the point of death, I had given a loan of 1,717 rupees. This is a partnership firm. Therefore, Mr. D is as liable as that of the other partners. Now, when you look through the account, when the transactions in the account were looked into, it was very clear that after Mr. D died, many payments were made by the bank. The total payment that was made by the bank exceeded far beyond 1,717 rupees. Clayton's argument is very simple. At the point of death of Mr. D, the loan that he had given to the banker or the money that he had deposited in his account was 1,717 rupees. So the deceased partner's estate is also liable. Is that the truth? The court said no. Every time you are depositing into your savings account or into your current account, it is a running account, which means there is an invisible, unbreakable timestamp. Every withdrawal physically moves the queue forward. What is it saying in simple terms? First in, first out. That is, the oldest debt is the first to be wiped out by the newest payment. The oldest debt wiped out by the newest payment, which means the 1,717 rupees at the point of death of Mr. D was wiped out by the various payments that were subsequently made by the bank. To help you understand this, let us take a simple timeline. Let's say I have opened a bank account in 1995 with an initial deposit of 5,000 rupees. So 5,000 rupees credited into my account. I have given a loan of 5,000 rupees to the banker. The second time I am depositing money is in 15/6/1996 at 10,000 rupees. Then in 19/7/1996, I am withdrawing 2,000 rupees from my account. Against which loan will this money be adjusted? So my total account balance will now be 13,000 rupees. Does this amount get curtailed from the first loan I had given the bank on 14/4/1995 or the second loan? We have to follow the FIFO rule. First in, first out. The first loan that was given was in 14/4/1995. So it is adjusted against the first loan, which means that out of the 5,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees has been paid out by the banker. There is a 3,000 remaining in the first loan, and in the second loan, 10,000 rupees is remaining. Therefore, my total running account comes to 13,000 rupees. I hope this idea is clear for you all. If you have any doubts, kindly raise it in the GCR or even in YouTube or in classroom. Thank you, guys.